Hey guys, welcome back. How much do background tasks or other programs that are open like Google Chrome actually affect your performance, especially during something like gaming? Some people are like super adamant about closing everything before doing anything. So essentially, only having the thing you're doing running at a time. Now, on paper, this sounds like a good idea. You don't want to be wasting those extra resources. However, how much does this actually help? So today we're going to be testing two different benchmarks using Cinebench and Passmark, both the CPU. And here I have 30 tabs open. Yes, a stupid amount of tabs. Just various different websites. So we're going to be running both of them with that amount of tabs open on Google Chrome. And then we're going to shut Google Chrome down and then run them again to see if we can see any difference. So let's get straight into it. First, the Passmark CPU. And of course now Cinebench, and I'm not even going to put this one in a time lapse because, well, the Ryzen 7 1700X shouldn't take too long. Great, 1512. Alrighty, so I just shut down Google Chrome. Let's run them again. And Cinebench. Okay, that is interesting. So, that leaves us with, write it down here, 1534. Here we have, on the left we have with Chrome open, on the right we have not open. Both of our scores went up a tiny bit, but let's be completely honest, that's almost within the margin of error, and anyways, even if it's not due to margin of error, like, come on, that is not going to impact any game that I know of. However, that is not to say that that other programs will not interfere more. Simply that leaving tabs open on Google Chrome isn't necessarily going to affect your performance. No amount of tabs you could open would affect your performance, because if you have more than 30 tabs, then to be honest, performance is going to be the least of your problems. Anyways, what other programs do you want me to try? Obviously, I don't have all day, so I can't try every program in the world, but if you leave them down below in the comments, I'll do a few every request. So, this is kind of a part 1 almost. It's inconclusive. But for now, I will say Google Chrome does not affect your CPU performance. And I'm pretty confident it wouldn't affect your GPU either. So, thank you guys for watching, and maybe stay tuned for a part 2, depending on if I get any good suggestions down below. Bye!